Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.3, question 16. If AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. So before coming to prove this, let us draw a triangle because we need a triangle ABC and triangle PQR where AD and PM are median. So let us draw that first. Okay, both the triangle I have drawn ABC and PQR where AD is the median and PM is the median. Median meaning is what actually when a line, this is if we call it this is median, AD is median means this line will divide this part that is BC into a equally half part. That means this half part will be equally divided half. Okay, so that's the meaning. So now let us write down what are the things are given to us. Before coming to this point, first we will see. It is said that ABC is similar to PQR. So when two triangles are similar, what are the conditions are there? That means all the angles will be equal and the sides of the ratios of the triangles also will be equal. So let us write down, since both are similar, let us write down both the conditions. So what is given? Okay, given is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So if they are similar, what are the things will be equal? Angle A will be equal to angle P. So angle A will be equal to angle P. And then angle B will be equal to angle Q. And angle C will be equal to angle R. Okay. So this will be there, and then what are the things will be there? AB, this side, AB upon PQ will be equal to this side, BC upon QR will be equal to AC upon PR. Okay, so sides of the ratio also will be equal when we say two triangles are similar. Now AD and they are the median, right? AD is the median. So now we can see the whole thing. We can consider this as equation 1. You consider this as equation 2. Okay. So now AD is the median. So BC can be written. You can write down, since AD and here PM, right? PM is the median of triangles ABC and triangle PQR. So if they are the median, then I told you median meaning means this is equally divided into two parts. That means this part BD will be equal to CD. So then can we say that BC is 2 times BD because this is the same part. This is equal to same. This measurement and this measurement is same. That means BD will be equal to CD. So here I'll write down and show this BC is equal to what? BD plus DC. Okay, so BD plus DC is BC, but since this is median, equally it is dividing, BD will be equal to DC because this part will be equal to this part because this is median dividing equally half. So this measurement will be same this measurement. Okay, so that means in that, if that is the case, BC can be written as BD plus, instead of DC we can write BD because it is the same. So BC can be 2 times BD. So same way for this also we can apply this rule. Okay, so since AD and the PM is the median, we can write BC equal to 2 times BD, and same way QR also can be written as 2 times QM. Okay, this we consider as equation 3. Why we are doing because this part why we have done, because we have to prove that AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. What is this AB upon PQ? AB is here, AB upon PQ, PQ is here, so this side upon this side equal to AD upon PM. AD is this side upon PM is this side. So that means if we take these two sides, is we have to prove that these two sides ratios are equal, means the third side we have to consider BD here, and here we have to consider third side QM. So that is why we have taken, already we know these both are similar, therefore BC upon QR. So instead of that BC can be written BD 2 times. That is why we have taken this part. Okay, so now we have all three equations. Now let's take now in triangle. So now let's take this triangle and this triangle. Okay, of this triangle and this triangle. Between these two triangle, let us see what are the things we can write. Triangle ABD and triangle PQN. Okay, between these two triangle, let us see what are the things are equal. First of all, we said that both the triangles are similar. Both the triangles are similar means the angles will be equal. So can we say this angle B will be equal to angle Q? Because here already you see B is equal to angle Q. Okay, this is given to us because both are similar. So angle B will be equal to angle Q for these two triangle if we take. Okay, so that part we have one similarity, and already we have this side AB upon PQ. You see AB upon PQ, one side ratio also is there, they are equal, it is given to us. Okay, and then this all three ratio let us write down first. So in this two triangle, between these two triangle, I told you angle B is equal to angle Q. That is, we take from equation 1, we take B is equal to Q, I said, because both the triangles are similar, and therefore we have already written what are the things are there equal. Okay, so B is equal to Q. So B is equal to Q. So angle B is equal to angle Q. That is, from equation 1 you can write, or given also you can write. One thing is over. Now let us take this part. That is, this is always given to us AB upon PQ, BC upon QR. So these two sides let us take it. We don't need third side, because if two sides we have an angle we have, so we can prove these two triangles are similar. Okay, so let's take, so these two sides we will take of this ratio. So this is also given to us. That is our equation 2. So I am writing down. So AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Okay, so from equation 2. Okay, so now AB upon PQ let us write down as it is. Okay, BC upon QR. You see here BC is equal to what? 2 times BD. QR is 2 times QM. So let us write down here 2 times BD, and QR is 2 times QM. This is from equation 3. Okay, so now 2 get cancelled. So then what we have? AB upon PQ equal to BD upon QM. Okay, so you see AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. BD upon QM is what? BD upon QM. So that means BD is upon QM is equal, this ratio BD upon, so AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. So this side is equal to this side and this is equal to of this side, the ratios. Okay, AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM, and also we got angle B is equal to angle Q. So that means side angle side, side angle side, these two triangles become similar. Therefore triangle, what are the triangle we said? These two triangle, no? These two triangle. So triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Okay, so if these two triangles are similar, by the way, we have to write by how criteria. Okay, similar by side angle side. Okay, because we have proved side angle side, both the triangles are similar, we have proved. So if they are similar, then we can say that all three sides of the ratio will be equal. So AB upon PQ will be equal to BD upon QM will be equal to AD upon PM. So what we have to prove here, you see, AB upon PQ equal to AD upon PM, Okay, already we have proved, because these two triangles are similar means all three sides the ratio will be equal. So all three sides you can write down, and afterwards what we have to prove is only two sides. So afterwards you can write hence proved both the sides are equal. Okay, so you can write down, therefore, so both the triangles are similar means you can write down that AB upon PQ will be equal to BD upon QM will be equal to AC upon AC doesn't come, AD upon PM. So hence what we have to prove, that you can write down, that is AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM, hence proved. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.